Hello and welcome back to All Things Auto. Welcome back to one of our car reviews. The last car review we did, we reviewed a convertible smart car. This time we've got something a bit more special. We've got Lewis. Yeah, a bit. We've got Lewis behind the camera. Say hello.
Hello.
Matt as well, and me, Daniel. And today we're going to be reviewing this beast. Matthew, what is it?
This is a Bentley Continental GT Coupe, as you can see from here, with only 2 doors.
Yes.
Now the reason this has 2 doors, obviously being a Bentley, if a cameraman would want to move it down here, you have sloping roofline which does sort of eat in space in the back, which we'll be demonstrating later. You've got some nice wide wheel arches. I'm not poking this with a stick.
No.
Because this is very expensive and there are no fake vents. I've looked and there are no fake vents.
We've been looking around this car for about 10 minutes now, and there's just not anything you can't like about it. It's so incredible. You'd expect it to be, really, because it's very expensive. Come out to the back.
The rear, you've got this spoiler which I don't know if it moves up and down going.
It will do. It will
drive.
do.
I'm not too sure. Obviously, you've got these massive exhausts which, oh my.
Yes. Are they fake?
You can see here. You've got one there and one there.
Oh my word.
So instead of one massive one, it's actually 2. I say small.
This is a quad exhaust system.
This is a quad exhaust system.
Wow.
And I don't really know much else to say, if I'm honest.
It's
Apart
just
from
amazing.
This is a very expensive car. Let's go inside.
Yes. So this is the interior of the Bentley Continental GT Coupe, and oh my word.
Well, it's not nicer than what we are used to, an Audi A4 and a Fiat Panda and a
definitely.
brown Renault Scenic. You've got leather here, you've got cup holders there, you've got some ambient lighting here which you can change from.
It's got it here as well on the Bentley badge. Just change the colour.
I think, is that doing that?
It's changing the colour on the actual Bentley, so put it something vibrant.
I'll put it on
Green
yellow.
and yellow. The badge is going yellow. It's
you can
difficult
see
on camera.
why the All Things Auto water bottle.
Oh yes, very famous. But in here, oh my, it is so premium.
What
As Matt said, a lot better than what we used to.
From here you've got this strip here, and then I don't know if you can see, but it catches from there to there, then all the way here without breaking things. It's not even a stitch broken. Here you've got some, right there, you've got some lovely speakers, leather. I'm having a look for any cheap bits.
There are none. It's a Bentley.
There's none.
We've searched. Even if you go deep down here, it's all very soft and it's all very lovely and plush. On top of here, it's really squishy leather. It just smells of leather as well in here, which I think is lovely.
I must say, what I absolutely love about a Bentley Bentayga is the dials. Oh,
This
got
isn't
a
a
massive.
Bentayga. This isn't a Bentayga.
Sorry. I mean a Continental GT Coupe. You have these paddles here, so that one's for changing up and that one is for changing down. You have a speedo that goes up higher, as you see. Daniel just got in, and then there was a little display there to say.
Oh my! You shut the door as well, and the seat just comes in around you. It moulds to your body shape. Seat bolsters and stuff. That is amazing.
The speedo, as you can see, I'm not going to touch it. I don't want my grubby hands on there. Goes up to 220 miles an hour. The McLaren 570S didn't even do that.
Now,
The rev counter obviously doesn't go up as much because the red line here is around 6,300.
Probably have a soft limiter as well, let's face it.
No, really?
I reckon so, yes. We've got to mention this. It's a W12 engine. Me and Matt thought it was a V8. It's a W12.
Yeah.
It's double. Not double, what am I thinking? But yeah, you're not going to be lacking power at all. Just film this a minute because...
I was just about to do that. The best feature on a Bentley.
Now, I will put this in the description, but about 2 years ago now, I had a tour around Bentley in Crewe, their main big showroom where all famous people go. And I did an article about it, and I did actually go in one of these on Continentals. And this is one of the party pieces. Screen. Press the screen button. Next minute, you've got clocks. That is just amazing.
I've just knocked the camera on the steering wheel.
If that doesn't make you want to buy it, then you're
a
mad.
minute timer. I think that's your lap. No, it's for your lap times. Ooh. You have a
Or how long it takes you to put your
not
suit
a clock,
and tie
sorry.
on.
Compass, and I lost my words.
It's probably
there.
how long
and a outside air temperature. I've got nothing like that. Obviously, this is center dial, and you can just move it if you press that again. I didn't press it hard enough. There we go.
Oh my! I'm just bewildered by this.
We are very...
We're not used to
We are
this.
so happy to have this opportunity.
Yes. It's just incredible. Let me just take the camera again. Let's just do a bit of a point of view. I'll switch the camera around. This is us sitting inside the Continental, and it is, oh my, so comfy. And the sound deadening as well is just great, because there's traffic going by, I'm sure you heard in the intro. You just don't hear any of it in here.
Feel that roof. That roof feels nicer than any car I've ever been in. I'm sorry.
I know.
I'm sorry, Aid.
Sorry, Aid, with his McLaren, yeah. But this,
oh my.
This is incredible. Also, look, I won't flip the camera for this, but there's this A-pillar here. You just feel the A-pillar on your side.
Ooh.
It's just
well, it's
so
just
soft.
leather. I mean, leather and fabric and all that. And
it's just
shall we do the thing
incredible.
we sort of have been delaying?
Yes, the back of this car. Coupes are notorious for being a bit bad in the back. They focus more for the front occupants. So me and Matt are going to have a sit in the back. Now, I am around 5'10", 5'11". Matt is just a bit smaller than me.
I'm 5'8", 9", I don't know.
You're probably around that,
5'9".
but this is going to be interesting nevertheless.
Oh wow! Oh wow! Oh wow! Sorry, if you won't see this viewer's cam. If you,
Oh my word!
it's the only way I can explain it. Oh, you
Quality.
will be able to see this actually.
Yeah.
If I just,
Oh, I'll have to flip it.
I don't
There
know.
we go.
Hopefully you all can see this. It has.
It's
These
good camera
a bit
work.
like I'm very apologetic for this.
Yes.
It's not the most professional of us. We are a bit giddy at the moment, if we're honest.
Overwhelmed. But anyway, you don't care about this. You want to see
Let's see us get in the back.
Matt especially getting in the back. So we're going.
I'm shorter than you.
So open the door. This is very clever. Obviously, there's no back doors. What you do is you do that. The seat will go forward. Pull it some of the way.
Stops, you need to pull.
Once it gets all of the way, you pull it like that, just like a normal car, like our old Toyota Yaris. But we're not going to compare it to a Toyota Yaris because that's silly. So Matt is in the back of it now. Just put the seat back. That's the seat back deliverer.
Oh,
It's like a butler.
sorry.
Now fold the
I
seat
know
back.
this is folded back, isn't it?
Now Matt, sit how you normally would sit. You're an average-sized human being.
I don't know how to get this back. On some technical difficulties.
In a Bentley, I know.
Oh, I know why. I know why. It's because you've got the.
That's because I got the door open.
Door.
I'm going to hop in. Oh.
We do apologise, viewers.
So, let's put that back as well.
So,
Is it going to go back now?
no. Hang on.
Let's put it forward and back again. This is just our
point of
this is
view.
us being silly. But anyway.
Oh, I think I know why. I don't think I put it back properly.
There we go. See, we're learning ourselves. We're used to just pretty cheap cars. But anyway, how's the headroom for you, Matt? You're an average-sized person.
That's a compliment.
Yes.
I suppose I've got about. Yes.
Yes. You've got enough room, put it that
Probably
way.
about.
Leg room.
Oh, hello.
Seatbelt deliverer. How's your leg room?
Legroom's pretty good. I don't know.
The seat is quite far forward. We will mention
Yeah,
that.
I mean, you're Dutch.
Half Dutch.
Half Dutch.
English. Actually, I'm a bit of both. But
You can control the seat forward and backwards here, but that doesn't work with the.
I think it's something to do with the ignition.
This
isn't it?
doesn't work. With the
It's just
key
us being a
ignition.
bit cheapskate, isn't it? Really, we're just not up to this technology.
No, we're really. Oh, it's also got. This is what the doors was also like.
Yeah.
They got something like a cheese grater.
Cheese grater. Just about to say that.
Very nice. You got beautiful.
Beauty. It's just
Beautiful linings.
he can't get his words
I
out.
can't. I'm just shocked. If I'm honest. Here you have your cup holders, 12-volt socket. Some more sockets there, which I can't get open. You have this, which is like a key hatch, which is very
Not
nice.
a fridge, unfortunately.
Not a fridge. No, you do get the fridge in the Flying Spur.
You probably can get the fridge in this as well. It's just trying
There we go.
to fit it.
So you can actually take that off, and also Isofix anchor points. We're being very professional here. This isn't going well.
The Isofix,
I'm kneeling in a Bentley.
but
Well, there it is. There it is. Isofix anchor points.
hidden there.
Hidden. Oh, ooh.
Oh my!
So you can fit them out, so it's a very easy fit to child seat. I'm sorry if you're seeing this on the camera. It's because I'm wearing my buff hoodie.
I honestly thought you broke it then, but that's meant to be like that. We promise. That is very clever.
And then,
goes in. That click.
God, I'm very...
I was about to say it feels very German, but it's a controversial topic, British or German.
There we go.
But to be honest, it's not that bad. I'm a bit tall and I've got headroom. It's not roomy for me, but I've got headroom.
Right, hang on,
it's not so bad.
the camera in. I'll try to get out. There we go.
I'm trying to get out now.
Oh. Boot space? I say we do boot space. Also, got to mention, you have Bentley LED on there. I think it's an LED, I'm not too sure. Probably isn't. But yeah.
Now, the boot. How do you open it? On a normal car, probably around here, or you do the wavy thing with your foot, makes it look ridiculous. But not on this car, because we were told by the owner, well, not the owner,
you have to press the B, and I went
Yes,
for that B.
You went for that B. It's that B. And then your boot opens.
Yeah, it's actually got a lot of space. I'm not going to get in there because it's a very expensive car.
Yes.
And that's a very expensive jacket. And there's all various stuff in there. But I can tell you, it's very big.
You used me for reference of size. It's not that bad. You can fit quite a few things in there.
Also, you have a ski hatch there, so... Well, if you have skis.
If you have skis, which you probably do if you're driving one of these.
I think now we should move on to the engine. And also, one of my favourite features of a
Lewis.
car, you do this. What do you think of Caraman Lewis?
What do you think of this car, Matt? Lewis?
I'm a big fan of it.
Pink hoodie.
Thank you. I'm quite a big fan of it, really. I really do love the dash cam where you can flip it either side.
Yeah. So impressive. Utterly impressive. The quality.
Right, shall we move on to the engine?
Yes. Do you want to hear the clunk of this? Big pull. Whoa!
That just feels meaty.
So, walk over to the bonnet. Matt, this is your job.
Yeah, go on then.
Come on, can he do it? Can he do it?
Hang on.
Come on, try and find it. Come on.
Oh, no. I really don't know it.
Sometime later he will get it, we promise.
Oh.
Lovely view there.
Oh, hello, hang on. It's like a...
Oh, and in the meantime, look at these lights. It's like diamond effect.
In the meantime.
You see the glistening. Camera really gets it there. That is just amazing.
Right.
He's not found it yet.
Oh, I've done it. Oh, yes, I know how.
Will we have to do a cut?
Dan, you need to... Oh, wait, hang on.
What?
You need...
Oh my word. Let's cut to when we've done it. We have just done it.
I'm such an idiot. Sorry.
This is it, the W12 6 litre twin turbo with this lovely plaque here.
What is that to say?
No words.
630 PS at the flywheel.
Yeah. Around 700 and something of torque, Newton meters.
That's not...
No. That's probably the bonnet release. He walks off camera. But this is just amazing. It looks fantastic. There's a lot of plastic though. But obviously you're not going to want
Well, you're not going to want
farmers
leather here, Daniel.
fettling away. Or leather, even worse. Matt thought this was carpet. This is the insulation, and even that feels quality. It's just incredible. Really, really
630
nice.
PS at the flywheel. Around 700, I think, Newton meters of torque. 0 to 60, that'll be around 3.4 seconds.
Something
Top
like that.
speed, probably 211.
Now it is a heavy car, very heavy. I imagine it's over 2 tons.
2.3, I would.
Tends to be
I would
like that
suspect.
for Bentleys and Rolls Royces. But because of the engine, I imagine it's going to be no slouch at all. Power to weight ratios are going to be on it.
Oh god,
That feels nice.
I'm sorry, I'm very like.
Oh, I know. We've been trusted with a Bentley, and it's quite daunting. But also, just look at these wheels. These wheels are probably 24s or something like that. Ridiculous.
No, hang on, they are 21s. 21s.
No, are they 21s?
It says it on the tyre. These are 21s. And
My
also,
word.
we need to mention the brakes. They are absolutely massive. I should
Yeah.
really tuck these in.
The camera probably doesn't show it very well. Just put your hand up to the brake discs without touching them, because otherwise it'll probably burn your hand
top
off.
speed, sorry, Lewis just got it on camera. It's a 206.9 miles an hour, right up to 207. The brakes are absolutely massive. These are the largest steel brakes on any production car.
Yeah.
Now,
That's
steel,
right.
bearing in mind I say largest steel brakes.
Yes.
Not like carbon ceramics or anything, but still. Well, obviously, it needs massive brakes. It weighs 2 point something odd tons. And moving on to the back. These back brakes are bigger than my front brakes on my Audi.
That is true. They're probably triple the size of the one on the Fiat Panda, but everything about this car is just so luxury. That's the priority with Bentleys, I suppose. All handcrafted. Now, we've all seen the TV show Built in 24 Hours or something like that, all about the Bentleys. And I've seen it when I went into the showroom. Every single car is handcrafted to beauty and to customer satisfaction. Everything about it.
Well, it's a Bentley. If it would,
I know.
If it wasn't built to satisfaction, you wouldn't buy.
They wouldn't sell it. I know, and it'd be a VW Passat or something like that. But this is.
Oh yeah, because this is a Passat.
You can't really compare it.
It's a Passat coupe.
Yeah. But yeah, it is very incredible.
Insane.
So we're now on the move in the, I was about to call it a Bentayga, man, it happened again. In the Continental, we're all wearing masks, we're all very safe. Wow. That is foot down along the bypass and you feel it, don't you, Matt?
Yeah, I mean, I'm just used to diesel Audis.
Petrol Fiat Pandas.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is a really, really incredible car. And I'm sat in the back and I don't feel uncomfortable at all.
Obviously, you can have it in different modes like sport, comfort, eco, I'm not too sure. But you can have it in B, which is like automatic.
Yeah.
So right now, it'll be in comfort.
Yeah.
And then when you put your foot down, it'll be in sport.
Yeah. So it's all automatic.
Yeah, yeah.
I didn't know that. That's really, really clever. Yeah, very impressed. And I knew I would be. It's a Bentley.
Like that.
Oh, wow. That is amazing. Wow. Oh, wow. It feels perfectly capable as well for a coupe. What we're going to do now is launch control. Whoa! My word! That was head to the headrest then. That's bizarre. Oh, amazing. Woo! Absolutely amazing. Doesn't take long, does it?
No.
Not at all.
Sport mode, I like that.
Yeah. Right, we're going to do another launch control now. Why not? Whoa! Off again. In the back, your head gets sent back. Oh, wow. You can't see Matt's face either because of the mask, but I'm guessing his mouth is open wide. That is
that's
really, really, really weird.
It weighs like 2.3 tons. 4.
Yeah, yeah.
It's insane.
Insanity, really crazy. Just come back from the drive and we're all recovering from the sheer acceleration of this car. See, the brakes are ticking away. Matt and Lewis are literally queasing. It's very unfamiliar. He's So there we are, our review and drive of the Bentley Continental GT Coupe. Matt, what do you think of it?
Straight 10.
Straight 10.
Immediately, just a 10.
No doubt whatsoever. A lot more of these car reviews will be coming up. Probably won't be as special as this one.
Sorry, I feel a bit cool.
Yeah, we are feeling a bit funny. We've got to cycle home on the bikes there.
I know.
Anyway, if you head down, scroll down now on screen.
Our links for my Instagram, his Bentley article, my Bentley article, Lewis's Instagram.
Yes.
He's lost for words. And
yeah, links to everything is in the description. But for now, remember to like, comment and subscribe.
I don't want to scratch.
I know. It is an amazing car. Anyway, thank you for watching. Stay safe and we'll see you soon.
See you soon.
Goodbye. So viewers, this is the
sorry, I'd like to
Hold
say
on,
my
we'll do
foot
this
was on the
again.
throttle, that's why.
We'll do this again. Matt.
Hang on.
Why not? Whoa! Off again. In the back, your head gets sent back.